AI tools are everywhere today: ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini. But many IT professionals are confused. Which one should I use and for what? In this video, I will explain these tools clearly and practically with real time examples. Hi, I'm Avinash. Welcome to phase 2 of our AI learning journey. Phase 1 was about understanding AI. Now phase 2 is about using AI in real work. So let's move on. Why AI tools matter for IT professionals. Let's understand this in upcoming slides. AI tools have become indispensable for IT professionals due to their ability to automate repetitive tasks, enhance productivity, and provide intelligent insights. These tools help streamline workflow, reduce human error, and accelerate development cycle. For instance, AI can assist in writing codes, generating document, and summarizing large data sets, and even troubleshooting complex issues. The growing complexity of IT environment and the demand for faster delivery make AI tools critical in modern IT operations. Understanding how to leverage these tools effectively can significantly improve efficiency and innovation in daily tasks. So, why so many AI tools exist? Let's understand the diversity in use cases. The expansion of AI tools is driven by the diversity of tasks and specialized needs across industries. So each tool is designed to excel in specific domains. Some focus on natural language processing for conversational AI, others on code generation, and others on data analysis or document summarization. For example, ChatGPT is optimized for text-based interaction and creative tasks. Copilot specialized in coding assistant with development environment. And Gemini integrates seamlessly with Google Workspace for document and email automation. This specialization ensures that professionals can choose tools tailored to their workflow rather than relying on one size fits for all solution. Let's see how to use these AI tools in upcoming slides. ChatGPT can be accessed via its web platform or mobile app. Users simply type queries or prompt and receive a detailed response, making it ideal for brainstorming, documentation, and troubleshooting. Copilot integrates into IDEs like Visual Studio Code and GitHub, providing real-time code suggestions and completion as developer write code. Gemini operates with Google ecosystem, offering features like summarizing Google Docs, automating email responses, and enhancing productivity in collaboration environment. Let's understand ideal use cases for ChatGPT and see where it fits best. ChatGPT is best suited for tasks involving natural language understanding and generation. IT professionals can use it for writing technical documents, generating SQL queries, creating scripts, and brainstorming solutions for complex problems. It excels in customer support scenario where quick and accurate response are needed. Real-world example includes automatic frequent asked questions, drafting emails, and assisting in troubleshooting by providing step-by-step guides. Let's understand ideal use cases for Copilot and see where it fits the best. Copilot is designed for developers and integrates seamlessly with coding environment like Visual Studio Code. It provides intelligent code suggestions, help complete functions, and even generates entire code blocks based on commands or prompt. This tool is particularly useful for accelerating development, reducing syntax error, and learning new programming language. Real world example includes writing bipolar codes, generating unit tests, and assisting in debugging by suggesting alternative implementations. Let's understand the ideal use cases for Gemini and see where it fits the best. Gemini is tailored for users where Google ecosystems within the Google ecosystems, making it ideal for tasks involving Google Docs, Sheet, and Gmails. It can summarize lengthy documents, draft professional emails, and automate repetitive tasks in collaborative environment. IT professionals can use Gemini to manage project documentation, creating meeting summaries, and streamline communication workflows. It, its integration with Google Workspace ensure that users can enhance productivity without leaving their familiarities tools, familiar tools, making it perfect choice. So in the upcoming slides, we will see the simple comparison of these tools. So here we can see the comparison table of these tools, which include which tool is the best for which use case, what is the strength of each tools, and how to access these tools. Let's see how we can combine these tools in daily tasks. A practical workflow for IT professional might start with Gemini summarizing emails and documentation in the morning, followed by Copilot assisting in coding tasks during development hours, and ending with ChatGPT generating documentation or brainstorming solution for upcoming projects. This integrated approach ensures that each tool is used where it performs the best, creating a seamless and efficient workday. So now we will see the common mistakes to avoid while using these tools. Avoid over-dependent on AI tool for critical decisions making without human oversight. Well, do not share sensitive or confidential data with these tools as privacy concern may arise. Refrain from blindly accepting AI generated codes or content without validation as error can occur. Additionally, avoid using these tools for tasks they are not designed for, such as complex legal advice or security critical coding to prevent potential risk. Now we will understand who should use which tool. Developers should prioritize Copilot for coding efficiently, while project managers and documentation specialists can benefit most from ChatGPT for content creation and summarization. Teams working with Google Workspace should leverage Gemini for document and email automations. There are alternative tools beyond ChatGPT, Copilot, and Gemini. Let's understand those tools as well. Cloud is an AI tool known for its strong reasoning capabilities and long form content generation, making it ideal for complex writing tasks. Perplexity acts as an AI powered search engine, providing quick and accurate answer to queries. Tab 9 is another coding assistant that supports multiple programming languages and integrates with various IDEs. So these alternative offer specialized feature that can complement or substitute for the primary tools depending upon user requirement. So the key takeaways are AI tools like ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini are transforming IT workflows by offering specialized capabilities for different tasks. Understanding their strength, limitations, and best use cases is essential for maximizing productivity. By integrating these tools thoughtfully and avoiding common pitfalls, IT professionals can enhance efficiency and innovations in their daily work, explore additional tools, In the next video, I will show how to ask better questions to AI so you can get useful answer instead of generic ones. AI tools does not replace IT professionals, they help them think better. Which AI tool are you currently using or want to try? Subscribe if you want practical AI guidance for IT professionals. Thank you.